I am at the Hive Hotel in Lamai Beach, Koh Samui, Thailand. The Hive Hotel, it's a 3-star hotel resort. It is right on the beachfront. The Hive Hotel is in central Lamai, Koh Samui, 1 minute walk from the main tourist strip, and it's right on the beachfront. Let's have a look at my room. I have a room on ground level and I've got a garden view. Let's have a look. We have a lovely queen size bed here, and there is actually a third bed here which is not made up because I don't need it. We have a desk, fridge, and a TV, which I don't require either. I am traveling solo here at the Hive Hotel in Lamai, and this room is very adequate for me on my own. It's very good. The Wi-Fi is pretty good too. No problems with that. Over here we have a wardrobe. There's a safety deposit box in there. There's some drawers, hanging space. I have a tiny carry-on suitcase, so there's room for me to put that in there, but otherwise there's no places for suitcases here. There's no like suitcase stand. If you had a big suitcase, you might put it on the spare bed. I guess you would. There are power points next to the beds, which is handy. There's no USB ports here. There is air conditioning up there, which works quite well. I've got it turned off. And through here, we have the bathroom. And a mirror. Toilet, and there is a shower through here. Let's go have a look out the front. We have glass sliding doors. There is a keychain here, which is very good. And I have this little balcony, so hang your clothes. Got a couple of towels there drying, and a view out to the garden. You need to put your key tag in the slot for electricity, and you need to wear this wristband. So they do have you wear this wristband while you're in the hotel grounds, so they know that you are a guest of the hotel. Because this hotel is open to the beach. There's an infinity pool that overlooks to the beach. It's right on the edge of the beach. There's a restaurant next to the pool and the beach that can be used by non-residents. So wear this so they know who are guests and who are visitors. And of course the sunbeds and the pool access is only for the guests, and they can easily keep an eye on who's here and who shouldn't be here. Sometimes there are sneaky people who sneak into hotel pools and sunbeds with when they shouldn't be. This is a very nice resort. The grounds are beautiful. The staff here are wonderful and friendly. All the gardeners are friendly and wonderful. It's a great location. It's like 1 minute to the main street and all the shops and bars and restaurants that you could ever want. 7-Elevens, everything. And it's only like 1 minute to the beach. Awesome location. Awesome. It's really, really, really good. Let's take a walk to the pool and the beach. I'll show you how close it is. And these beautiful garden grounds. Let's go. From my room, 703, let's go find the pool and the beach. They're right next to each other. It's beautiful gardens.
There are different room types along here.
And here they are. There's the restaurant over the other side of the pool.
Let's go past the pool to the beach. I'll show you the restaurant soon. Beautiful. How good is this? It is lovely and beautiful relaxing on a sunbed at this pool overlooking the beach. Wow, it is amazing. Go for a swim in the sea, and go for a swim in the pool and relax. It's so very quiet and peaceful. You can order food and drinks to your sunbed. A margarita is perfect right now. In the afternoon, there is shade over the sunbeds as the sun sets behind the mountains behind me. The strawberry daiquiris are very good too. The restaurant is open for breakfast in the mornings, then all day dining and drinks. It's open to the public too, so people from the street and the beach come and use this restaurant. Grab a table overlooking the pool or the beach. Walking in from the street, there's no big foyer. There's a small reception office and a waiting room. Then walk through the gardens to your room. Let's have a look at that beach again. This is a white sandy beach. It is lovely, very clean sand. It's beautiful. The sun rises over the water in the east. There's no shells or rocks or broken corals, no rubbish. It's very soft and clean beach. There's no promenade here, so there's no footpath. Access is via a few laneways or through resorts and through restaurants. So there's no big footpath to walk along the beach here. You walk on the sand. It's a very quiet, relaxed, chilled out beach. There are a couple of beach clubs and restaurants along the beach here, just next to the Hive Hotel, that open at night too, and have fire shows from 7:30 p.m. Make sure you catch one.
Right, it's coming to the Hive Hotel off the beach, just after sunset. So let's have a look. Hit that subscribe button and bookmark me so you can find me again. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey. Please subscribe for more travel vlogs and travel guides.